Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 C10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Using a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, remove the bolts retaining the leaf spring hanger and center frame crossmember. You may need to lift your vehicle in order to separate the hanger from the frame. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Due to the frame rail not being completely straight, our part features a perforation you can cut on your frame section that allow you to meet the bend on your frame. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using the frame holes to help with the alignment. If you installed our center frame crossmember, use a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench to install the 6 bolts on the top and bottom of your frame rail to hold your crossmember and leaf spring frame section in place. After screwing in the included hardware, C-clamp your part into place if needed. Hold your support plate up to the frame, making sure it's a good fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your leaf spring frame section and support plate onto the frame. Then, weld the parts on fooling. Step 5. Lower the frame back down and line the leaf spring hanger up with the holes on your frame rail. Once in place, install the 4 included bolts and nuts on the top of your leaf spring hanger. You may need to insert a hole punch into one of the holes to help with the alignment. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!